In this video, we will show you how to configure the forward feature of ALE Myriad desk phones. M5S and M7S Pro are used as examples in this video. Connect the desk phones to the internet. Press Menu. Go to Features. Select Call Forward. There are three types of call forwarding: Always Forward, Busy Forward, and No Answer Forward. Enter the Always Forward setting page, enable the feature. Input the number that you want to forward. Here we enter the number of the right rear M7S Pro desk phone. Save the settings. You will now see a forward icon on the home page. Let's make a call to test if the forward feature is successfully configured in this M7S Pro desk phone. Dial the number of the front desk phone. The call is automatically forwarded to the target desk phone. Go back to the call forward setting page. Disable Always Forward and enable No Answer Forward. Enter the number of the other M7S Pro desk phone and save. Get into the setting page to define the No Answer Forward delay time. If a call is not picked up in 5 seconds, it should be forwarded. Save the settings. Now, we can see that the No Answer Forward icon is visible on the home page. Let's have a test. The call is forwarded. The third forwarding method is Busy Forward. Follow the same operations to enable the feature. The Busy Forward icon is visible on the home page. Dial the number of the front desk phone again. When the call comes in, reject it if you're busy with something else. The call is forwarded to the backup desk phone.